Most people get this wrong when searching for Mistplay payment proof. They see a screenshot online and instantly assume it's real. But here's the truth no one tells you. A screenshot alone doesn't guarantee that someone actually received a payment. In this video, you'll learn how to evaluate Mistplay payment proof in 2026, what real payment evidence usually looks like, and the signs that help you separate genuine results from misleading claims. Let's start with the most important point. Mistplay is a rewards platform where users can earn points by playing eligible mobile games and then redeem those points for available rewards. When people search for payment proof, they're usually trying to answer one question: does the app actually deliver rewards after redemption? A real payment proof example often includes more than a single screenshot. It may show the reward redemption screen, confirmation emails, reward status updates, or gift card delivery records. The more pieces of evidence you see together, the more credible the claim becomes. But here's the problem. Many screenshots can be edited or taken out of context. For example, Jake posts a screenshot showing a reward balance. That doesn't automatically prove a successful payout. It only proves that a balance existed at that moment. This is where most people fail. They focus on one image instead of looking at the complete process from earning points to receiving the reward. Now here's where it gets interesting. A better approach is to evaluate consistency. If multiple users report similar redemption experiences over time, that's generally more useful than a single screenshot posted by one person. Look for recent experiences, detailed explanations, and evidence that follows the full redemption journey. Here's a quick win. 1. When reviewing any payment proof, ask 3 questions. Does it show a completed redemption? Does it show confirmation from the reward provider? Does the explanation match how the platform currently works? If the answer is yes to all 3, the evidence is usually more reliable. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest way to avoid disappointment. Never assume that reward earnings will be identical for every user. Factors such as location, available games, promotions, account activity, and reward inventory can affect results. John's experience may be completely different from Alex's experience. This is important because many videos create unrealistic expectations. A responsible approach is to treat payment proof as an example of what may happen, not a guarantee of future earnings. Let's recap. Real Mistplay payment proof is stronger when it includes multiple pieces of evidence, not just a screenshot. Always look for completed redemption records, confirmation details, and consistent user experiences. Most importantly, keep realistic expectations about rewards and availability. If you found this guide helpful, leave a comment with your experience, hit the like button, and subscribe for more honest app reviews, reward platform guides, and tech tutorials.